Hello everybody, this is China Flores. Today we are going to do unboxing. I-unbox natin yung regalo na natatanggap natin nung Christmas. So ito yung isa sa regalo na natatanggap ko. Galing sa aking asawa. So ngayon basang-basa yung buhok ko. So I covered my hair. So ito yung for all hair kind. Ayan oh. For all her kind from Shark Flick Style. Shark Flick Style. So, tingnan natin kung ano. Ito siya ay there are wrap curl set automatically. May curl defining diffuser, styling concentrator, and wide tooth comb. So, tingnan natin kasi di ba palagi tayo nagsasabi, we always say, oh, this is what I wish for. Yung nga ganun. But still, talagang this is one of the things that I really want to get anyway. So, yung mga wish ko na, sekreto lang na wish na. Siyempre, if you wish, you don't really tell anyone. So, ito yun. This is one of those wish that I had. So, ang galing ng pagka-box niya talaga. It's so cool. Parang this is the new trend now. May guide ka pa, oh. All the guides. So, ito na yun. So exciting. Look at this bread. All these different kind of brittle. Different kind of brush. See, all that. Laki-laki. Mahilig sa malaki. Ayun na si Habibi, my asawa is coming with all the grocery. Hi, baby! Thank you so much for my gift! Purang pampalo ng ulo. So, dala na din ng ano. So, here. Christmas pa to, guys. Hindi lang nabuksan. So, ito na yun. Exciting. Ang daming ano, bebo. Tatlo yan. Tatlo. Yeah. So, it's perfect because I just washed my hair. I just washed my hair. Wow, parang vacuum cleaner. Oh my God. It's from Shark brand. Diba yung Shark brand na? Dami nito. Ano iyan? Hindi ko alam to. But I need to learn something about this too. Kasi ang dami-dami. What is this? Oh, so cool.